beautiful place to explore. I'm getting excited to kind of walk around and look at this. This is Shiprock, New Mexico. This is the insides of an extinct volcano from about 27 million years ago. If you can imagine it, the volcano was around it, and that was the inside solidified part. I'm going to look around some today, but they did say that there is some weather coming in, some rain. There was rain where I came from, but I'm going to stay for some long exposure photography tonight, and we'll just see how tomorrow turns out. So I think today I'll just kind of explore some. This is a pretty cool area. Roads here are actually pretty rough too, so if you don't have a 4x4 or at least a high clearance car, it's kind of hard to drive around and see the whole thing. As it turned out, the rain never arrived, which allowed me and my cameras to go on an all-night shooting spree. And I didn't waste a single hour of that, from dusk all the way to dawn. The main project for tonight was star trails, which I had been planning for over a month. In these photographs, I took over 700 long exposures over a span of 6 hours, 5 different programs, and a couple of weeks to finish processing. The accentuated vibrant circles and arcs came from the star's settled colors mostly. Also wispy traveling clouds over the night and sky color from the approaching dawn, horizon lights, and air quality too contributed to the color. Too many clouds, however, can ruin an entire night of star trails. But not tonight. After the cameras clicked away all night, I waited patiently but apprehensively as I traveled back to the studio, hoping all the images from the sensors and the cards gathered enough ancient starlight to compose epic astrophotography images.